Hello everyone! Today we are walking through a Luxe 35 GRS Gold. We did a video of one recently while we were at Hershey, and I'm excited to show off how different our coaches can be despite being the same floor plan. I'll link the other 35 GRS video below so you can see for yourself. I'm going to throw in the paint rendering because even though this is our standard paint scheme for the Gold series, even picking out two colors is hard. And these renderings, as you can see, are spot on of our fully automotive grade paint, 2 clear coats, and a wet sand buff. With no decals or stickers to fade over time, you really can't go wrong. Now the 35 GRS has 3 slides, and each has been equipped with a slide-out topper to keep the dirt and debris off the slide-out roofs. This is our only 2-axle fifth wheel, and before we go in, I'm going to put up the floor plan so you can see what we're going into. The decor here is Brazilian and Chelsea gray. We've got a single stainless steel sink here on the island. This coach has opted to have the booth seating with storage doors underneath instead of the usual dinette with solid surface buffet. We've got our theater seating and pull-out bed in the sofa here. Along with the entertainment center and the fireplace. The Gold Series coaches come with attic storage shelving. A couple of videos ago, someone asked a great question: can you get a Gold without the attic storage? And yes, you can certainly opt to do so. Now here we've got our 2-burner induction cooktop and no oven. You can get a residential stove and oven here if you so choose. We've got the lovely pantry here. On the counter, you can see the Furrion backup camera system. This cabinet here, we have the in-command system, Truma on-demand water heater, and sea level monitoring. The bath they choose to do all in Chelsea gray, and we've got a 1-piece fiberglass shower with a rainfall glass sliding door. And we're going to swoop over to the bedroom, where they opted to do a queen instead of a king to enlarge in the nightstands. And on the sides here are these really neat little cubbies. You can put CPAP machines, books, lots of knickknacks and things to store over here. Coming around, we've got the wardrobe, the HD Smart TV, and our egress window. Washer and dryer here in the closet, and something I did want to note. It's said in a lot of our videos, but I definitely think it's worth repeating. All of our cabinetry is real wood made right here in Elkhart County. It's not just beautiful, it's built to last. As always, if you have any questions, drop a comment or give us a call. I always encourage checking out our builders so you can literally build your own. Till next time.